Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Sorkar jila kelarai ban Pyntreikam no eka special one-time settlement scheme. Hapoh Sngi nak Bynta ki Trok kitmar na po kathan Giant Hills. Yakin la pentip da uba Samiyo Sayo spokesperson ka Joint Action Committee jong ka Giant Trok Owners Association. But ka East Giant Hills Trok Owners Association hadian bawai ka jingalang bat usimbut mentirang ba bakmi eka transport uba asnya balang dhar. Habakran shikilat patai kubor uba Samiyo udet hu bahagajia lang usimbut mentirang ba ulakular bahapo Sngi ki Trai Trok kinyo eka kubor ke babaha namar ka Sorkar kan Pyntreikam ya ka scheme OTS bat ban map ya ka boycott kali kat bahab hagajimpet ka Sorkar jila. Uba Samiyo udet hu banado ubnai rempang arajar alpuandriu ka JAC kali kendo yu usimbut mentirang ba bandawa map no ya ka kuna jong ki kot kali ki balayam.
It's a great moment. It's a happy moment for us. Kadika Sngi ban sakan mau. Namar ba we have been dealing with several types of department, but the only department ka Yait state hagaban Pyntreikam kadika department joma snyabha kadika transport department. Kumbing la in ki port he is there for us. And Ïaka ban mau IP 2 months back of ban February la one ban kar pad in hagaban taga concession ban wave yaki tax yaki kot kali ki balayap. Daga kamar bapu samar khiem taga si daga jingmen daga jing so hun kaman sim. By Minister Badam Rom Jungi, ila ong, but soon you'll be getting a good news within 10-15 days. Ila persang, but in Saleh Yongru, with the help of this present NDA government, he will be wiping a tax to the max. Ïaka ba ila, kabade ka part jong state, yaka central, kumgi revenue yaka state, he will try to wipe it off to the maximum point and to the maximum lowest price. Kadeka kubor ka babae, namata jungi ka babu kali boro. Number one ki por don't give a feel ki kisti don't give a feel ki ni hapsi double ye ki bai luksan tama benta namba kani ki jingirap ka scheme ko one time settlement by Minister Badam Borom jingi pat kani ka sarkar pamanta kani rap jingi sab ba khambuk tam bangin la ban patalun ni ki kam ki jam jingi dakala imbyang ki kot kali jingi. So we are expecting a very good news soon within 10-15 days katkum ki jingkular jingi Minister Badam Borom jingi. Ang ira sungu hadu kata ya Minister jungi bila sim khia ga ni kam tang Hapoh arbnai quick action rapid force kamon om so mo hagapor ka ba khandia de ila pantri ila Phabudin barkala long haka step kabangin so ngin thek yo so jang jing within short span of time
kan no percentage
we cannot disclose it at the moment namar Minister jungi ila kular ba ila ong ngade ukpa nganam suthu ila ki khon. And he will try to wave it off to the maximum. Percentage we cannot communicate, but soon, hope so, I will meet you people, we'll meet again. Begin say to EP percentage hadu kan no. And we are expecting, como I ong hi dalade ba dala system ki khon. De mengi khpa ban pe. To mono hu khpa ban ai lat ki khon ban system. So khpa hi un sepek, we masnya hu badon brom jingi, bonde klawai monong susun ong, bode ba tap chendrang mong keten panar mo, bo mi ban site ne mata jingi. So we have entitled full trust on him. And we are expecting that in kumai long por pemanswa in me the result ko bahang ba so hun giban ya thapti in the lapoy ban pas na cabinet joki
la di blapla kam do nong ma state na da
kam dang jing du nong namar ba a very simple methodology. Suppose now la don ki kali bom se ki san hosnem ka state kala du nong lupa totally, but if they give some concession it will be the income for the state, it will never be a loss. Namar menta suppose the p ingin su ino claim si ikot kali kadika total loss the government, but if they give us some settlement we are ready to pay and they are getting the income and we are happy, they are happy, and plus it will be a big contribution for us. Namar ba pila kan mau Trai ki por muswa por covid ki kali kila suyeng ki klam la man si ke boro that through his ideas, through his thoughts, through his way of walking Minister Badam Jungi usapek yang berangkam, and we are expecting very soon.
Kadang kacing checking pat ki kali bom siu pot kisla di kisnam dor ki balasio la sama kamyat ka kompia portal jong government.
See, there are things magini yaj ban ong suong ba the government. What is the government? This is in a simple term, it is by the people, for the people, of the people. So by the people mangi basna government, so the government ka hap sangap yangi of the people nagabanta jong higin Trai. So we expect ba ndala boy kan ka scheme ka one time settlement ngim de ban pa ka ta jing do nong ka jing do nong jong ka state and jong urius me jungi, we are expecting that a good collaboration and a good working principle with a smooth way of working happening jungi with Sorkar kin rai nagabanta ka jing ha jong pa wal obabon bayai.
Katang jubi.
Ketika jang ada somyo SNS ayo, ada spokesperson juga East Jantah Trok Owner Transport Association, but at the moment I am the GAC spokesperson jong both articulation jungi.